Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you'll need a few essential tools for this repair. Gather a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth. Make sure to work on a clean, flat surface to avoid losing any screws. 1. Power down and prepare. First, ensure your HP-NB13 is powered down completely. Disconnect the charger and any peripherals. It's crucial to prevent any electrical issues during the process. 2. Remove the back cover. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws on the back cover. Keep them organized, as you will need them later for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Work your way around the edges carefully to avoid damaging any clips. 3. Disconnect the battery. Locate the battery connector and gently disconnect it. This step is vital to ensure your safety during the repair. If you're unsure about this process, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. 4. Access the LCD assembly. Now, locate the screws securing the LCD assembly. Remove these screws using the Phillips head screwdriver. Be mindful of where each screw belongs, as reassembly will require them to be placed back in their original positions. 5. Remove the LCD cover. Carefully lift the LCD assembly from the base. Use the plastic spudger to help disengage any clips holding the LCD cover in place. Take your time with this step to prevent breaking any components. 6. Clean internal components. Before installing the new LCD cover, take a moment to clean the internal components gently with a microfiber cloth. Dust and debris can affect performance, so this step is crucial. 7. Install the new LCD cover. Place the new LCD cover onto the assembly. Ensure it fits snugly and aligns with the clips. Begin securing it by replacing the screws you previously removed. Make sure each screw is tightened adequately without overdoing it. 8. Reconnect the battery. Once the LCD cover is securely attached, reconnect the battery. This ensures that your laptop can power back on once reassembled. 9. Reattach the back cover. Align the back cover with the base and press down firmly. Replace all the screws to ensure everything is secured properly. 10. Final check. Power on your HP-NB13 to check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, you can always reach out for a quote before repair. If you're not comfortable performing this repair yourself, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. With our service, you don't need to make any calls or travel. We handle everything for you. Your laptop will be in good hands, and you can receive a diagnosis without obligation. This ensures a hassle-free experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.